Well, news now coming in from Pune, where a hoarding fell amid the heavy rain in Pune. Just take a look at those visuals. That massive hoarding has fallen, and 7 to 8 two-wheelers got buried under that hoarding. Revati joins us for more on this story. And Revati, the saving grace is that no one has been injured, because, you know, we've seen where these sort of cases turn to tragedy, but it's a massive hoarding that fell amid the heavy rainfall.
Right, as you rightly mentioned, as you can see behind me, Pune city has again grappled with the unseasonal rainfall. Also, an orange alert has been issued by the IMD today for Pune city and the Ghats of Pune, as the recent incident has occurred in Pune's Sanaswadi area, where a hoarding fell due to gusty winds. Also, IMD has also issued, along with the orange alert, that there would be gusty winds which would be at 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. And amidst this unseasonal rainfall, a hoarding has fell, under which 8 to 9 two-wheelers have been buried. Also, by God's grace, there has been no injury or no death reported as of now, but the rescue mission is on. Also, IMD has issued an orange alert for Pune city and the Ghats area of Pune city for tomorrow as well. Now, the IMD has also urged Pune people to be alert, as this unseasonal rainfall will continue until next week. They also mentioned that there's a cyclone which is being created, and as of now, the rainfall has entered Kerala, after which, after a week, the monsoon will enter Maharashtra, and the rains will be expected more this year comparatively the last year. So now the people, Punekars especially, have been issued an alert, and they have been asked to take care of themselves, because gusty winds and orange alert has been issued by IMD. Over to you.